Mavs versus T-Wolves. Game 5. Could T-Wolves extend this series? Damn, Luka to start off. Okay, over at Ant-Man. Damn. Uh-oh, Luka looking like this. I'll rip. Hold on. Could the T-Wolves extend it to a Game 6 and go back to Dallas? I really want to see the series extended. I doubt it's going to happen, though. Let's see. Oh, Bear, you're terrible, buddy. Towns is the key, man. When Towns plays... When Towns plays good, you know, Okay. Luka. Derek Lively back in this one, by the way. Good to see him not miss too many games. And all the way and one. Okay. Kyrie get a fresh cut. Mike Conley. Conley. Oh, Mike. Solid. Irvin. Okay. Okay, up to Lively. Solid. Luka. Damn! What? Okay. Luka. Don't touch! Luka. Don't touch! Okay, talk to him. Kyrie Irvin. Okay, damn, it's a 20-point game, Minnesota. What's going on? Y'all series is on the line. Kleberg, who is back for the Mavs. Okay. Yeah. Conley off the glass. Oh my goodness, made me touch Earth. Damn, that made the shot. Damn. Come on, T-Wolves, get back in it. Luka. Okay. D. Jones. Damn. Okay. Cat. Sheesh. Holy. T-Wolves, at least get it down to like 10, bro. Come on. And all the way. Literally could have been the fucking Nuggets. Urban, oh my goodness. Lost his first closeout game last game. Okay, to PJ. Irvin, easy mid-range, off the glass. Irvin. Damn. Okay, Luke. It's the damn near a 30-point game! Oh my goodness! Damn! Yeah, y'all going home. Y'all sorry. Y'all going out sad too. Y'all going out sad. PJ Washington. Okay. Damn, coach. They going out sad. Kyrie back to the finals. Okay. June 6th, first game. So got a little bit of a break here with no NBA. Sheesh. Derek. Pass to Washington. I'm gonna drop my prediction video the day before, so the 5th. So on the 5th, I'll drop my prediction video for who's gonna win the NBA Finals. Luka Doncic. Oh, he talking shit. It's damn near a 40-point game. Should I just turn this off now? The Timberwolves are going out sad. Y'all are down 30. Sit down, bro. Irvin, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. He said I was playing with y'all last game. Y'all ruined my perfect closeout record. So this is what's gonna happen now. Damn. Anthony? Woo! To cut it to 27. Look, they're getting so hyped. What the fuck? 25. And Irvin says, shut the fuck up. Sheesh. Sheesh. Right when they were getting back in their little Hardy. Oh my goodness. That's demoralizing. And pull that. Cat. Okay. 22-point game. Need to stop here. Not gonna get it. Urban. Light 55. Oh, that was Gafford. Or was that? I don't know. I don't know who that was. I think it was Derek Jones. Slow-mo? What do the Timberwolves do in the offseason? I saw something where they get Trae Young. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. That's a real upgrade over Conley. Oh, I thought that counted. And then, what you call it? I saw something where they might trade Cat. Who would you trade, Cat or Gobert? I mean, Nas really plays amazing, so kind of don't need one of them. I mean, this is over. This is over. Sheesh, this is damn near 40. Or it's 30. Damn near 30. Damn, T-Wolves, y'all went outside. Y'all went outside, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all went outside, bro. Y'all went outside. It should have been the what you call it, but give credit, you know, Ant, he's young, has to lose first, gonna deal with adversity. Love Ant. T-Wolves team has depth. I do like them, but Luka is insane, and Kyrie Irving, man. Damn, Mavericks to the finals. Who would have thought? They're not making the playoffs last year. Wow. Give him credit. T-Wolves, see what y'all do in the offseason. Ant-Man gotta hush up a little bit, but, you know, I still believe in him.